Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video we are going to look at the sample cue card. Describe a foreign person who you have heard or known that you think is interesting. Let's begin with the cue card. Describe a foreign person who you have heard or known that you think is interesting. Who the person is, how do you know him or her, what kind of person he or she is, and explain why you think he or she is interesting. Now, let's begin with the sample answer for this cue card. Well, I like to learn about the life of successful personalities because this helps me acquire some valuable knowledge. Here, I would like to talk about one very famous foreign individual whose name is Bill Gates. Bill Gates is the CEO of an American technology company called Microsoft, which creates the computer operating system Windows. Apart from this organization provides other services like computing, storage, and other management solutions. I know him because he is currently the third richest person in the world with a total net worth of 135 billion. I have to say he is a very humble and generous person who works for the welfare of society. He and his family run some charitable organizations which are contributed a lot to curbing malaria and providing education to poor children around the world. Recently, he donated millions of dollars for finding medicine for coronavirus. His professional career is also very admirable, as he started learning to code while he was at school due to his interest in the computer technology. Then he, along with two other friends, decided to set up a company that can provide computer operating systems and office and management tools. His company has grown enormously over the years and he has become so successful. I must say he has overcome various challenges and criticism with his hard work and positive attitude. I personally like many things about his personality, like a positive mindset, business skills, fearless attitude, etc. He also writes books and gives lectures about his successful journey and struggles so youngsters can get some inspiration and can try their best to achieve successful careers. So this person is not only famous for his business but also generous work. So this was the sample answer for this cue card. Now we will look at follow-ups for this cue card that can be asked in the exam. Now let's begin with them. Do you have any foreign friends, and do you think having foreign friends is a good way to know other countries? Unfortunately, I do not have any foreign friends, but I believe that having friends from other nations is a great way to know about their cultures and traditions. When they communicate or share photos and videos with each other, they can get to know about many important things about one another's traditions. Next question is, do you think it's important to know the culture and language before going to another country? Definitely, it's great to acquire some information about a country's culture and tradition before visiting there. This will provide them with some basic knowledge about local language, culture, food and activities, which will help them not face any problems there. Next question is, what abilities do people need to have when working in an international company? I would say people should have excellent communication skills while working in multinational companies because they usually have to give presentations and seminars. Then people should have some knowledge about foreign cultures and traditions so they can interact with foreign delegates. So these were the follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications when we upload a new video. And we also live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do follow us there for latest updates. Thank you for being here.